SLOSMASHN.
Hello everybody, it's your old pal SLOSMASHN with another fantastic tale, smashing and bashing. It's slow motion. And in this tale, Element Sendero, tongue twister, taskmaster. Alright, so boom, I think on previous tales I showcased my artistic work right here with the coolness right here, but in case you haven't seen it, let's show it again. Little laser blasters right there, and Konga fist of Kong. Yeah, and then we got Taskmaster. But it's underneath the wrapping what counts. Oh no, I think I used strong magnets on this. Technical difficulties. Yep, strong magnets, yeah. Alright, so yeah, I love the Hobbywing Fusion so much. Oh, look at my crooked antenna. I need to shorten that. Oh, I love the system so much, I put it in the Sendero because I love the Sendero except for the shocks. I still have to address that. But this system is just so, look at this. It looks like there's barely any no electronics at all except for a motor right there with a built-in ESC. And you haven't seen my other tail? Basically, I love this thing. It's so so slow, so smooth, and it has a good amount of power. Maybe not as much as like the higher powered brushless systems, but this is a crawler. It's supposed to go slow. SLOSMASHN. I like some speed in my crawler. This system's not going to really give it to you. It's going to give you low end power, smoothness, and super slow crawling abilities. You know, for me, it depends what you think is fast. For me, if I could go like 10 miles per hour in my backyard, I think it's fast and smashing around. It's a low end torque and the smoothness that counts with these things, right? Oh yeah, real quick, I want to show my gripe right here with this thing. There's not that many aftermarket skid plates I've found, or parts in general for this thing yet, which I'm sure is going to change in the future. But I did find some, and they're not that good though, and I'm debating whether I want to keep them on. And the parts, they just messed it up from the beginning. I have to use spacers just to get this little like a diff cover on there. I usually like diff covers, but this one, man, I just don't know about it. If I forget and I'm lazy, I might keep it on. I didn't even do to the front one because they botched up my order, but I don't know, we'll see. You can see right here, you have to use spacers to use this skid plate, and I don't like that. But we'll see. Alright, so let's get some smashing action with this fusion powered Taskmaster Sendero. Yeah, now. Fusion slow crawling, yeah. Alright, I'll botch that one up. I'm not a pro crawler right there. The pumpkin was getting caught up by that thing. Alright, so as you can see right there, super slow crawling, just like you should like it. I like it. SLOSMASHN likes it. I love the truck, how it is. The only things I think I'm going to address in the immediate feature is the shocks. Those leaky shocks, caboodle, smashed. Probably literally will smash them, but I'm going to put like thicker shock oil in the new shocks that I got. Not quite sure what I'm going to use. Also, the foams in the tires. I got those Proline soft foams in there right now, and actually no, I use some other hard foams. I forget the brand of them, and I think I might get some Tool Stages or maybe some more Crazy Crawler foams because I really like those. But anyways, back to my counterpart. Alright, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that smashing action with the fusion powered Taskmaster Sendero. I think that's less of a tongue twister than saying Sendero. But I don't know, you be the judge. I like it. I love this motor. I think, yeah, I have Castle system and other brushless systems, but this is definitely my favorite for the money. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but this thing is not bad, like around 150 bucks all in one. This thing, I love it. I definitely would put it in other trucks. But y'all let me know downstairs in the comments below. Until next tale, smash your bell, smash your thumb, subscribe if you ain't had to already, because we are Fusion Powered Taskmaster Sendero smashing out.